Friends, success in 21st century workplace requires multitude of skills. One of such skills is interpersonal skills. Interpersonal communication in workplace plays an important role in employee satisfaction, motivation, collaboration, and business success. Interpersonal skills influence business cultures because they affect job performance, which in turns decide the outcome of your company's success. Namaskar, my name is Rohit Kashyap, sales growth expert and a leadership coach. You are watching Resilient Rohit, your one-stop destination for growth of life and business. So let's start. What are interpersonal skills and why they are important? Before we get to further, it is essential to first define interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are also known as social skills or people skills. Interpersonal competencies helps you to interact, communicate and collaborate with others effectively. Interpersonal skills are the qualities and behaviors we exhibit while interacting with others. In simple words, interpersonal communication is the process of exchange of information, ideas and feelings between two or more people with verbal and non-verbal method. These are considered to be one of the most sought after soft skills. According to a research by Career Addict, they have done a research with the managers asking importance of interpersonal skills, and they have rated 4.37 on the scale of 1 to 5. They are very high. There are many reasons why they are so valued, even though most workplace business is now conducted through online communication channel. It is still necessary to possess verbal skills in order to work effectively with your customer, colleagues and bosses. We demonstrate them whenever we engage in any kind of verbal or non-verbal communication. In fact, qualities of basics as body language, attitudes towards others greatly affect your chances of excelling at work. Strong interpersonal skills are the key indicator of success in a work environment, as benefits includes the ability to cooperate with teammates and to solve difficult problems, as well as simply enhancing your popularity around the office. Why are interpersonal skills so important? Think back at your childhood on a playground. Remember what happened to the kids that didn't play nice, failed to share and fight with others. Other kids started not wanting to play with them. A similar dynamic can emerge in the workplace if you lack interpersonal skills. An inability to work and interact positively with others can destroy your career. No one will put your name forward for the promotion or think of you when you stumble across opportunities of you. Otherwise you're perfect. You could be amazing software engineer, art director or marketing manager, but at the end of the day, if you are unpleasant and taxing to others, with the value of those technical skills is limited. So according to a study by Harrison Assessment, some of the major factors that make up your person's interpersonal skills are diplomacy, helpfulness, optimism, influence and flexibility. Also vitals are collaboration skills, empathy, tolerance and frankness. These characteristics are important in corporate culture as well as in a small business. Business owners in general want to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the business flow is consistent and cohesive manner. Business owners must realize that even if they have a vision and a goal, these cannot be achieved without solid communication skills, which are indeed for relationship management. A big budget does not make it good if you cannot build rapport with your employees and customers. In addition, good interpersonal skills include listening skills, problem solving skills, decision making skills, emotional intelligence and conflict resolution, teamwork and negotiation skills. The ability to communicate internally with employees and co-workers is just as important as building and maintaining solid relationship with customers. Good interpersonal skills include verbal and non-verbal communication, with hard skills such as knowledge, expertise and experience are important. Without interpersonal skills, you or your company can only go little far. Good interpersonal skills can help motivate employees and attract and keep customers, Happy employees and customers are critical to business success. Please do share your feedback on how you are deploying or improving your interpersonal skills. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel Resilient Rohit. Ring the bell and get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Please share this video with your family, friends and colleagues as much as you can, and also with those whom you think can be benefited. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers. Sharing is caring.